Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A98, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications and extend the list by swiping down once more. Now we're looking obviously for the Do Not Disturb, which for me it is on the second page right over here. Once you see this toggle, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on, or you can hold it, which will give you the more options right here, but there's nothing set, so I'm gonna click right here under more, and this will take us to the settings. Here we can toggle it on or off, but we can also do that from here as well, so by tapping on it, so it doesn't really make much of a difference. We can set up a schedule. There is one pre-made one, as you can see, sleep one, which starts at 10 p.m. and ends at 7 a.m, so just for the night, and it runs every single day of the week. You can create new ones if you want to, edit this one if you want to, and in general, if you're planning to use schedule, all you would need to do once you set it up is toggle it on in here, and then the device will do everything else for you. Now going back, under exceptions, we can select who can call us or message us. So by default, it's set to favorite contacts, but we can select to none, so no one would be able to contact us, and also just anyone who's in our contacts list. Below that, we have ring for repeated callers, so if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, when this is enabled, they will be bypassing whatever you have selected right here. And that's basically it for the settings. So I'm going to close this, and now whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode manually, just find the toggle, tap on it, select turn on, and as you can see, it gives you this little moon icon, and it is right now running in the background. And once you're done with it, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once again and tapping on it once more, which will automatically turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.